Hello everyone, this is Lane of Miss Lane Diaries. Today we have a new tutorial on how to create an SQL script using ERDPlus. So, ERDPlus again is a database modeling tool for creating entity relationship diagram, relational schemas, star schemas, and SQL data definition language statements. So, in the previous tutorials, we have also already created entity relationship diagram, and we have converted it into a relational schema, evident in our documents here. So the first one, we have created the entity relationship diagram. Then after that, we have created the relational schema. This one. This is the relational schema of our entity relationship diagram. Okay. So now let's go to how to be able to have a DDL for this. So for you to be able to have a DDL for that, just simply click this one and generate SQL. And here you go, it has an SQL generated. But take note that all of the data types here are in integer. Integer. So all of the data types in our entity relationship diagram, which is converted to relational schema, are set to int. So for you to be able to edit it, you're going to click this one, the relational schema, and then we're going to edit here. So you can change it to character, varying character, numeric, date, float, custom, and so on and so forth. So we have here varying character, you can also have varying character, and then let's try if it is already reflected. So let's go to the generation of SQL. It's not yet reflected. Maybe it needs to be saved first. Let's go back. Okay. Let's try this one. Then click save. And then let's try again. Okay, here you go. The epi name or the extension program name and the description has now the data types worker. So before you generate the SQL script, you must edit first in the relational schema the different data types and also the ranges and also the sizes. But always remember that you cannot create the script without passing all of these steps. First, create the entity relationship diagram, and then after that, create the relational schema, and after which you can create the SQL or generate the SQL. So I hope that you have learned something from our tutorial on ERDPlus on how to generate an SQL automatically. So that's all for our tutorial. So if you want more tutorials on databases, please comment in the comment section and we might have a tutorial for that. So that's all for this tutorial. Thank you so much. Bye bye.